Hey kawaii unicorns, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing types of squishy collectors, and as you can see I have all of them written down here, and my handwriting is just goals. And no, it's not. Okay, so I have all of these written down and hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so first is filming too close to the camera. Hey guys, as you can see, there's a Scummy Bear here. I hope you can see it. Is the camera focusing? Here it is. It's very squishy, and oh no, it has a neck defect. Yeah, that went well. Next is the awkward one. Hey, I just bought this Aaron apple. Here it is. My mom's gonna kill me. It's very squishy. Don't wanna drop it again. Okay, okay. Next is filming too far away. Let me just adjust my seat. Okay. Hey guys, today I got this squishy 7 frame, and it's very slow rising. Can you see that? I feel like I'm filming too close. Let me move farther away. So here it is. It's very slow rising, and it has some licensing on the bottom. So yeah. Okay, let me just move closer. Okay. Next is the person who always have a small face. Hey guys, I have this squishy. Actually, I'm gonna change my squishy. Hey guys, I have this pretzel squishy. It's very slow rising. I don't want to disturb my parents. They are sleeping. What? Okay, now I'm gonna do too big of a voice. Hey guys! Today, RIP headphone users, today I bought this squishy. Yeah, it's a Hello Kitty donut, I'm pretty sure it's called. And it's not squishy at all. Okay, so that was it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a very fun experience for me, because I don't know. But thanks for watching the video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a big thumbs up. So yeah, bye!